So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on accessibility features on your Android smartphone. But before beginning the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. So let's begin the video without any further ado. So to turn on accessibility features on your Android smartphone, first of all open settings in your smartphone and search for additional settings. Here you can see additional settings. Here you can see an option of accessibility. Click on accessibility and here you can use the features of general, vision, hearing, interaction and all. If you are unable to find accessibility from additional settings, then go to the settings search bar of your Android smartphone and search for accessibility. Here you can see you can just directly click on it and access all the features of accessibility in your Android smartphone. So that is all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.